हेलो दोस्तों, लीगोलॉजी लर्निंग में आप सबका फिर से स्वागत है। आज डे 11 है, तो आज भी कुछ केसेस के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। तो आइए शुरू करते हैं। बजाज अलियांस जनरल इंश्योरेंस कंपनी प्राइवेट लिमिटेड वर्सेस यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया। इस केस के जो जज थे ऑनरेबल जस्टिस संजय कृष्ण कौल, ऑनरेबल जस्टिस आर सुभाष रेड्डी। In this case, the court held that insurer should deposit award in bank account maintained by MACT, by RTGC or NEFT. Supreme Court issued direction for uniform procedure in granting motor accident compensation. Case 90. Aparna Bhat and others versus State of Madhya Pradesh and others. इस केस के जो जज थे ऑनरेबल जस्टिस AM Khanwilkan, Honorable Justice S.Ravindra Bhat. In this case, the Supreme Court held that using Rakhi tying as a condition for bail transforms a molester into a brother by a judicial mandate. This is wholly unacceptable and has effect of diluting and eroding the offence of sexual harassment. Supreme Court set aside Rakhi-fon-bail order of Madhya Pradesh High Court. Case 91. Government of Maharashtra versus Bose Brothers Engineers and Contractors Private Limited. इस केस के जो जज थे ऑनरेबल जस्टिस RF नरीमन, ऑनरेबल जस्टिस BR गवाई, ऑनरेबल जस्टिस ऋषिकेश रॉय. In this case, the Supreme Court observes that NB international verdicts which held delay beyond 120 days for arbitration appeal under section 37 cannot be condoned. Case number 92. Small Scale Industrial Manufacturers Association registered versus Union of India and connected cases. इस केस के जो जज थे ऑनरेबल जस्टिस अशोक भूषण, ऑनरेबल जस्टिस M.R. Shah, ऑनरेबल जस्टिस R. Subhash Reddy. In this case, the Supreme Court bans charging compound interest on penal interest on any borrower during loan moratorium refuses moratorium extension. Case number 93. MS Niharika Infrastructure Private Limited versus State of Maharashtra. इस केस के जो जज थे ऑनरेबल जस्टिस DY Chandrachud, ऑनरेबल जस्टिस M.R. Shah, ऑनरेबल जस्टिस संजय खन्ना. In this case, the Supreme Court held that High Court shall not pass order of not to arrest or no coercive steps while disposing petition under section 482 of CRPC. Case number 94. Asset Reconstruction Company India versus Vishal Jaiswal. इस केस के जो जज थे ऑनरेबल जस्टिस RF नरीमन, ऑनरेबल जस्टिस BR गवाई, ऑनरेबल जस्टिस ऋषिकेश रॉय. In this case, the court held that balance sheet entries can amount to acknowledgement of debts under section 18 Limitation Act. Supreme Court set aside nulled full bench ruling. Case number 95. Henry expeditious trial of cases under section 138 of Negotiable Instrument Act. इस बेंच के जो जजेस थे ऑनरेबल चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया S.A. बोबडे, ऑनरेबल जस्टिस L. नागेश्वर राव, ऑनरेबल जस्टिस B.R. गवाई, ऑनरेबल जस्टिस S. बोपन्ना, ऑनरेबल जस्टिस S.Ravindra Bhat. In this case, the Supreme Court amend section 138 Negotiable Instrument Act to allow one trial for multiple cases from single transactions. Supreme Court issued direction for expeditious trial of check cases. Case number 96. Patna Jamalwali versus State of Andhra Pradesh. इस केस के जो जज थे ऑनरेबल जस्टिस DY Chandrachud, ऑनरेबल जस्टिस M.R. Shah. In this case, the Supreme Court held that Section 3, Clause 12B of SC/ST Act will attract as long as caste identity is one of the grounds for occurrence of the offence. Case number 97. Rahul S. Shah versus Jitendra Kumar Gandhi. इस केस के जो जज थे ऑनरेबल चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया S.A. बोबडे, ऑनरेबल जस्टिस L. नागेश्वर राव, ऑनरेबल जस्टिस S.Ravindra Bhat. In this case, the Supreme Court disposed of execution proceedings within 6 months from the date of filing. Supreme Court issues direction to reduce delay. Case number 98. इंडियन स्कूल जोधपुर वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ राजस्थान. इस केस के जो जज थे ऑनरेबल जस्टिस एम खानवालिकर, ऑनरेबल जस्टिस दिनेश माहेश्वरी. In this case, the Supreme Court held that state regulation of profiteering by schools does not violate management fundamental rights under Article 19(1)(g) of Constitution. Supreme Court upholds constitutional validity of the Rajasthan Schools Regulation of Fee Act. Case number 99. LT Kaul, Nitish and others versus Union of India. इस केस के जो जज थे ऑनरेबल जस्टिस DY Chandrachud, ऑनरेबल जस्टिस MR Shah. In this case, the Supreme Court decided that courts must not stop discriminatory practices and pay victims, but also provide effective remedies that facilitate social redistribution by establishing positive entitlements. Supreme Court also held structures of our society created by males for males. Supreme Court holds annual evaluation criteria to grant permanent commission for women offences arbitrary. Case number 100. Patricia Mukhim versus State of Meghalaya and others. इस केस के जो जज थे ऑनरेबल जस्टिस L Nageswara, ऑनरेबल जस्टिस S.Ravindra भट्ट. In this case, the Supreme Court held that free speech of the citizens of this country cannot be stifled by implicating them in criminal cases. Supreme Court quashes FIR against Patricia Mukhim. तो ये था आज के केसेस के बारे में. अगर आपके कुछ सवाल है तो कमेंट करके जरूर पूछिए और चैनल को लाइक कमेंट सब्सक्राइब जरूर करिए. मिलते हैं अगले क्लास में.